If this is your first drill for home repairs, do not buy the biggest kit first, buy for control. Most small jobs are not about brute force. They are about matching the bit, the screw, and the material. Start with the repair you actually do: cabinet screws, drawer hardware, pilot holes, and small brackets. For that work, a drill driver is the safer first tool. An impact driver can be too aggressive for small screws. You want the screw to turn in cleanly, not jump, strip, or chew up the head before it seats. Control matters more than top speed. A slow start keeps the bit centered on the screw head. The bit set matters more than people think. A cheap drill with the right bit often beats the wrong expensive setup. Check for common driver bits: Phillips, Square, and Torx. Those cover a lot of furniture and cabinet hardware. For wood screws near an edge, plan the hole first. The drill is only useful if the pilot hole is the right size. A pilot bit should remove enough wood for the screw body, but still leave material for the threads to bite. If the screw starts leaning, stop. Back out, straighten the bit, and do not force it deeper at an angle. Before choosing screw length, check the thickness of the piece. Too long can punch through the backside. Too short can feel tight for a minute and still fail because it barely reaches solid wood. This is why a starter kit should include more than the drill: bits, driver bits, and a small screw assortment. Do not be impressed by a giant case full of sizes you cannot name. Useful sizes are better than a huge count. For drawers, hinges, and furniture brackets, smaller control tools are easier than heavy tools in tight spaces. If a tool twists your wrist while the screw starts, it is the wrong feel for precise home repair. When a screw keeps spinning, do not solve it with more power. Fix the hole or use a better screw length. When the bit slips out of the screw head, change the bit before the head rounds over. Use low speed for driving screws. Save higher speed for clean pilot holes in wood. Drywall, tile, brick, and concrete are different jobs. Do not assume the same bit and drill setting fit every wall. For heavy shelves, the drill is not the main decision. The wall type and fastener rating are the decision. For a first kit, keep the links tight. Drill and driver bits, and a basic wood screw assortment. 2 batteries are nice, but they are not more important than control, fit, and the bits you will actually use. Before buying, hold the tool, check the chuck, and picture the smallest repair you will do with one hand. If the small repair feels controlled, the tool is more likely to help instead of creating another repair. This is a buying guide, not a lab ranking. Match the tool to your repairs, your hand, and your materials. Follow for quick home fixes. When the workpiece is thin, mark depth with tape on the bit so you know when to stop drilling. If the screw head starts sinking too deep, stop and reset. A neat seat is better than crushed wood. For hinges and brackets, drive the first screw only partway, check alignment, then tighten the rest. Keep the bit seated straight. A small wobble at the bit can become a stripped screw fast. If you only repair once or twice a year, a compact kit is easier to store and easier to control. If you repair furniture often, keep spare screws nearby so you do not reuse bent or chewed up screws. The best first drill is the one you can control slowly while the screw starts and finishes cleanly. That is the practical test. The tool should make small repairs calmer, not faster and messier. This is a buying guide, not a lab ranking. Match the tool to your repairs, your hand, and your materials. Follow for quick home fixes.